today we're going to make some matcha with this matcha certified organic matcha tea.
So for years, matcha green tea has been known for having antioxidants that help with our skin, our cells, rejuvenating everything.
But besides that, I love it because of the energy boost that it gives you. We open this, it comes with this metal on top. Woo! That's real stuff right there. Okay, there should be a spoon in here, I read on the directions. It says 12 ounces of milk or water, okay? I like it with milk. I sometimes mix a little bit of water in the cup. Okay, this one is up to 8 ounces. Cha-da! That's 8. So we pour this in here. I like to have a big coffee mug like this because when I'm mixing the matcha tea, it's easier. I'm gonna show you. I always add a little bit of French vanilla to make the flavor a little bit better because otherwise it tastes like earthy. So I'm gonna put this a little bit more in the microwave. I'll be right back. So I'm back from the microwave. So we need to find a little spoon. It's a hidden gem. It's somewhere in here, or maybe not. I don't know where the spoon went. I didn't find it. So I'm gonna use this little spoon. And this is how I like to, this is how I like to do it. I scoop a little bit and you see how it goes beyond the scooping thing. So you clean it here on the rim of the can. And that you have 1 scoop of matcha. Now, I put it in here and now I'm gonna stir with this magic thing. Look. Lovely. Why? Because it takes me 2 seconds. It dissolves everything and it gives me the foam that I like. And now we have our matcha green tea ready. Perfect. I love the energy this tea gives me, and I love the way I feel throughout my day when I drink 2 cups of this. You can drink up to 4. That's what I read. But if you found something different, just let me know in the comments, and cheers!